Hi. Wow, it's been such a long time. It's been a long time. Sorry, guys, there is a definite energy shift here. Like, I'm really feeling it. There's a huge energy shift going on right now. And some of us, like me, may be tested, but I'm not sure because you never know what the universe is going to deliver. Because all you're supposed to be doing is just loving your life, loving yourself, pouring the love of cup into yourself before anybody else. Just like on a plane. If it drops, save yourself. What good is it going to be with a baby with no mother? Save yourself. Heal yourself. Work on yourself. And those that have, this is the time. Well, anybody could do this actually at any fucking time they want. This is the time to manifest. There's a full moon tomorrow. I don't know where y'all are. Maybe somebody, around the world is seeing it right now. I don't know. This is a time to manifest. Focus on your desires. Focus on you, okay? Keep fucking looking forward. Man, is it hard sometimes. I know. That's why I'm speaking of this shit. Because I've experienced it. And man, if I could save one person in the entire world, I've hit the jackpot. Because that's all it takes. It starts and begins with one. Right? This is the time to manifest. Manifest. Like I can feel shit going on between my man and I. And I'm like, what the hell? What the fuck is this all of a sudden? Like things were fantastic. And they still are. But this moon is really fucking with me and my psyche. I'm telling you. Or maybe it's other people. And that's okay. You want to do that shit? Keep doing it. Return to sender, return to sender, return to sender. And when it happens, I can't feel bad for you, but I send you love and light. Right? That's just like, wake the fuck up, man. But this is the time to manifest, everyone. Keep working on yourself. Keep loving yourself. There's a shift going on. I am fucking feeling it. Like I'm feeling like towers are going down. I feel like, I don't know, I feel nervous. I feel really nervous. Like, man, there's a fucking neighborhood pub bar thing, whatever, that we've all lived in the same area for so many years. We've all talked. It's like a Cheers. If anybody knows what Cheers like is, if you don't, well, Google it because it's like a little sitcom. You just got to see it. It's like everybody knows your name and you kind of know their biz, but you don't. Like it's just crazy. But you do that with the right ones. There's no drama. That fucking shit is so heavy. If it's not yours, please let it go. I'm in the midst of doing that right now. This is a hard one. This last lesson that I have, and this will be my last lesson, is love yourself and see what happens. Just focus on you. Don't focus on, that's it. I don't want another man for the rest of my days. I'm okay with dying alone, single. That kind of, I'm okay with it, okay? Right now, manifest. Right now, those that are getting karma, well, I'm sorry to hear that. It's called karma for a reason, so maybe you need to look that up and understand. Okay, you know what I don't understand? This is what I don't fucking understand. How can you pretend to be someone that you're not? Like I was always myself. I just was always my fucking self. And so like karma would be because you've done people wrong or a person wrong, or whatever the fuck it is. Right? And the way you treated that person didn't deserve it, sit down. That's what the universe is going to say to him or her. Sit down. Now it's time to sit down. I'm going to take your finances. I'm going to fucking make you lose your job. I'm going to make you whatever. Well, you know what I mean? Until you fucking get it. Why? This is what I don't understand. Why do people keep going down a path like that? Why do we do that? Why do we want more shit in our lives? Because you weren't you, or you're not you. So until you learn to be you, the universe is going to slap you around a bit until you fucking get it. Okay? We have a choice. We have so many fucking choices in life, it's ridiculous. If you really break down a person's life, we got a lot of fucking choices in life. We just think we don't. And don't worry about the news. If anybody's watching the fucking news, shut that shit off. I'm telling you, this is the time to manifest. You won't with listening to that and holding on to that. So if you want to skim them on your cell phone and just look at the title names and not read, just fucking don't spend a lot of time on that thought. In fact, just fucking don't watch it. And do what makes you happy. If everybody would just spread love instead of hate, oh my God, what a fucking world it would be. You gotta admit, man, what a world it would be if we just all played nice. Why do we have to hate each other? Because they tell us to? You guys, we're the ones that gotta wake the fuck up. Fuck the government. They can fucking crawl up my ass. Okay? I'm telling you. If we fight back and we just begin to love one another genuinely, we're going to grow so much trust, and it's going to be a beautiful fucking world. You'll always have somebody in case you ever need somebody, because you genuinely like many people. Now, you can't like everybody, okay? Especially over 50, your friend list becomes extremely small. That's when you've learned, you've graduated, right? You don't have to do the stupid shit. Well, not that I never did anything stupid. I just have people that are jealous of my ass. Ooh, like I feel that. And you know what? Listen, this is what I have to say to you ladies, okay? And I'm going to give you the respect and call you ladies. All you got to do is just be yourself, and you will find the right people in your life, and life will be so effing beautiful. Why do we want to live? We got one life. Why do we want to live it like this? Why do we want to give them the control? Let's claim back our fucking control. We matter. We all fucking matter. Not just children and all that shit. We all matter. We are all children of God. Well, some of you, you'll learn today, right? Return to sender, return to sender, return to sender. Now be careful. Be careful now. Why don't we just spread fucking love? And now's the time to do it. The weather is getting better. For us, it is. Okay, some people are in summer right now. We're like April 11th. The day before my mother's birthday. Oh no, wrong one. Yeah. Everyone just spread love. That's all the universe is asking us to do. What about love thy neighbor? I think that's one of, right? Like, I've never read the Bible. I just go on how I feel. That's why my life is finally blessing, like left, right, and fucking center. I'm just being blessed because I'm listening to my angels of what feels good and what doesn't feel good. And what doesn't feel good, don't do it. Do what makes you feel good. You'll be happy all the time, not miserable. Shut the fucking TV off. That's not a joke. And there's going to be a lot of people that are going to realize how attached they are to a TV. That's another fucking subject. But you're going to learn that if you haven't yet. It's like our phones. Don't you fucking miss going back to the day where people can only contact you well, they can contact you 24/7, but they're going to be smart about it. You know what I mean? Like if you got to blow out, fuck the phone, expect the phone to go off anytime that happens. Yeah. Spread love. Let's stop spreading hate. It's not working for us. We're not listening. So let's try something different. See where that gets us. Love and hate. Excuse me, my God. I'm so sorry. It's my throat chakra really tightened up there for a second. Yep. Love or hate. Let's pick love and get out of this shit once and for all. Aren't you tired of living in a fucking soap opera? That's exactly what we live in. I turn on I don't know what soap opera, because I don't really pay attention to what they say. I use it to help me fall asleep. And that's what it does. It puts me to sleep. So if that helps my body, done. I don't give a fuck what anybody says. And you're not going to have anybody around you anyway that judges, because you're going to know your worth and you're going to be tired of that shit after you've learned that lesson. So you're going to shut that shit down real fast. Right? We got no time, especially people over 50 years old, you guys. 50 years old. We all say that, wow, time is flying by. But as you get older, it seems like it gets faster. It's really bizarre. Of course there's no fat. You know what I mean? We get that. It's really bizarre. Anyway, everyone, I'm feeling a really heavy shift. I've been feeling a little depressed. I'm trying not to take it on, which is great. It's wonderful that the sun is coming out. This is the time to fucking manifest your ass off. Start manifesting. Don't focus on the negative. Don't look at the past. You cannot take the past with you. No matter how much you want it, you cannot take the past with you. The past is the past for a reason. We just need to listen as we say that. If you want a new path in life and you're ready, you're fucking ready. It's like, yeah, I'm ready for change. Let's do it, man. Let's do this. I'm ready. And if you're not ready, it's okay. I trust you, universe, but I'm going to take that leap of faith and I'm going to do it. Easier said than done, isn't it? Sure is. It's like anything. It's like any addiction. Quitting smoking, quitting cigarettes, quitting drinking, quitting, I don't know, whatever the fuck, porn or whatever people, I don't even know what the fuck people do nowadays. I just had a 3-hour nap. Holy shit, I've never done that my entire life. I've never napped my whole life. I did it once, but I woke up and I couldn't fucking snap out of it. And I thought, I'm not doing that again. Because it didn't make me feel good. Just do what you love. Be yourself. It won't work if you try to be somebody else, because that's not your real, true, authentic self. Okay? Be you. Just be you. If you're quirky, whatever. Who gives a shit? Don't rub it in people's faces. Why would you treat people like that? You're a person too. What the fuck? Right? What the fuck? Countries should be speaking to each other nicely. We should all be friends. Why the fuck do we hate each other? Because they're creating it. And we are following it. Turn that shit off. Let's be leaders. Let's put ourselves first. Let's love ourselves. Continue to heal ourselves. Because if you want to be joyful and live free and in peace and quiet and you feel safe, fuck, man. Honest to God, what more do you need? What do you... There's nothing else we need. To find the right friends, and you will, you got to be yourself. Just be your fucking self. How can you be somebody else? Like, that's a lot of fucking work. Right? I don't know about you, but fuck, I don't want to work. And I know I'm retiring very soon. And I'm celebrating right now as if I've got it. And I know it's fucking hard sometimes, man. I've been caught in a rut too for the last week or something. That's okay. Try not to take it on if it's too strong. Cleanse yourself. Spiritual bath. Do your fucking Palo Santo. Do whatever you need. Get to a river. I need to get to a river and trees. Like, I'm surrounded by trees, which is wonderful, but I want my river too. I want it all. And I want it now. And I'm going to get it. It's coming. I feel it. And I'm celebrating right now as if it's here. And I'm getting it more and more because I'm celebrating every fucking day. Manifest during a full moon. Fuck the rest of the shit that's going on. Don't pay attention to it. It's not yours. Let it go. Let it go. Give it back to them. It doesn't make you feel good. Give it back to them. They can deal with it because it's their shit. And, yeah, they can figure their shit out. Okay? They made it. They gotta lay in it. Okay? Done. Now your chapter begins. You've just put that to rest. And hey, listen, man, I was there. I never got closure as to what the fuck went on. I got 6 hours to move out after I just packed up my fucking home that I sold, that I didn't want to sell. How'd that fucking happen? I wasn't paying attention. That's okay. The universe sees everything. You just sit back and just keep fucking working on you. And I'm going to keep reminding you of this every fucking little podcast that I do. Do you. You are number one. I love you.